come down, good selling, we try to rally, then we come back down. And what do I notice about this reaction coming down? Look, the big volume breaking through this area. We get some kind of stopping action. And then look, I mean, just look at this attempts to break up, this choppy up wave here, as opposed to the reaction coming down. Now, this area here from the support level, it didn't really help me going forward for a trade here, per se, or a trade kind of here, because it wasn't, it didn't have enough validity going forward. Okay, it didn't have enough validity because I want to see a little bit more price interaction around here. But then again, we push up here. Look at this little climactic bar, Roman. Kind of here, it looks like good buying, but then it fails. But obviously, we know that this is not a valid break through this area. Then as we look how the market resolves itself. So we've been trying to rally here for an hour and a quarter, and then we come back down. As we rally, as we react and break down here, volume increases. We try to hold and rally, volume decreases. Then we kind of get these weird volume aberrations that pop, attempt to hold, and then here straight away we see supply. I'm thinking, okay, so this is reaction down. We're trying to rally, nothing really happens, and then we fall down. Then we get this weak rally, volume increases, we react, volume decreases. Now I'm thinking, I'm expecting a rally. Where is the market likely to test? Then I had these kind of areas drawn in, and then boom, I'll show you the entry point, which you may like, Raymond, is this. This bar here is slap bang into the supply zone. Didn't really serve me anything over here, but as we come back up into this area, I noticed a huge surge in volume. We closed off the highs and we're climactic. In this little mini trend channel, we're climactic, and also the angle of ascent. So this is our first angle, this is the second angle. So price is accelerating, and I'm looking at this buying quality. I mean, it isn't good, is it, Roman? But I mean, we can just see that this buying is nothing like this selling coming into the market. And yes, this is the lunchtime period, so we're not going to have the volatility and the big wide spreads. But what I just notice here is the background. Technically we're trending down, and then we get this rally that ends climactic into this supply zone. So that literally was kind of my read. It wasn't a full-blown strategy. It wasn't like a trigger bar for one of my setups in my playbook. So it was played on reduced contracts, but I could just feel as if this was climactic, in kind of into this area. And then as we come back down, look at the volume, the good spreads coming in. We try to hold here, we foul, and we come down, and et cetera, et cetera, et cetera.